These were intentional acts to assimilate. These were genocidal acts driven by the doctrine of discovery to make us exactly as disconnected as we are right now. Not from society, but from ourselves.
Colonisation is essentially somebody bigger and stronger than you comes into your world and strips everything away from you and then makes you think that it's your fault and that it's your problem.
Ka tae mai te tupeka, ka tae mai te waipiro, ka tae mai te rewharewa, te mare, ka kite o tātai whana hekam, heaha e nei mate, e pākino mai nei. Nā wai rā, ka rongo rātou i ngā te rongo pai. O tēnei atua, ka kia he atua, nui tōna aroha, engari ki te kore koutou e whai i aia, māna koutou e patu. Ka huri e tai o ngā whakaaro me tiki, ko te aua nei, ka tahi te atua, mana nui, kaha nui, ko tērā, i te mea titiro, kei te mate haere tātou. Ko te āhua nei, me huri atu tātou ki aia. Kia au, koe rā te wā e huri, e timata te huri o te ao Māori.
Law has been one of the most oppressive tools used by the coloniser, particularly the alienation of land. The land is our ukaipo, it's our tūranga waiwai, it's our place to connect with our mana, but also it's our economic base. It's where our language, our culture, our identity is secure and safe and can thrive. And so laws that undermine the connection between Māori and our whenua had, significant consequences.
If you think of it almost as a marriage compact, you've got one partner inflicting, unspeakable abuse almost, isolating you, taking you away from the people that you loved, whenua, taking you away from your home, taking you away from your whānau. And so when you do that to a person for a long enough time, what happens to that person is that they lose their sense of self and they become subservient to the rule of their abuser. We've been subject to the same thing, but at a collective level.